here we are in Germany, in Nordrhein-Westfallen. There we have that crazy big red moon. And I'm just doing a little bit of quad riding, ATVing today. Got the nice windmills. Windkraften, windmühle. Yeah. Well, it's been a couple years since I was here, and last winter, apparently about 15 months ago, there was a big storm, and so I'll show you some footage of the damage from that. There's a lot of damage, a lot of trees down. Some places they've just gone in and cleared all of those down trees, and some places they've gone in and then used the machine and shoot them up so that it's just flat, plain ground again. Masticated, I guess you could say. Well, we got some logs on trucks, and these look like Tannenbaums, nice tall Tannenbaums. Got some good logs out of them. I was in Germany to begin with. I was visiting my host family that I stayed with 19 to 20 years ago. I was visiting them over Easter. Had a very nice time. Got to see a lot of folks that I knew 19 years ago. Here we got some more windmills. They are not without controversy. In fact, there's a small town near here, very close, that had protested a new construction of them. They're always building new ones, and this town had a banner that said "too high and too close." But I think their efforts were in vain, and the windmills got built regardless. I don't mind them. I think they look nice. Let's see, we got some hunting blinds. You see a lot of these, mostly on the edge of fields like this. You sit in them and then you wait for your prey to come out in the field. And you shoot it dead. They don't have large tracts of wilderness that you can hike through or ride your ATV through and just shoot in random directions. So they have to do it like this, I suppose. Here we got some conifers. So when I was there as an exchange student, walks like this was basically my main activity. And so I took the opportunity when I was visiting to revisit some of my loops, some of my walks. Here we got some more windmills. Naturschutzgebiet, that means protected nature area or nature reserve. Now this guy again. That's Trendelburg. Now Trendula is a figure from the mythology. The woman from mythology that apparently, I think she did not get along well with her sister. I just learned that on this trip. Yeah, every trip I go, every time I go, I learn a couple more words, expanding my German vocabulary and my German general knowledge of culture and history. Well, I took a lot of video, so stay tuned because there will be a lot of videos forthcoming. It was a 3-week trip. So stay tuned and auf Wiedersehen.
Go ahead, man. All right.